Here's your daily reminder that in nature, mercy is for the weak. Many curious viewers of this video thought that this big strapping Nile crocodile was carrying some kind of octopus in its mouth. But it's not an octopus. It's a gentle impala that got up this morning thinking it was going to graze on some quality grass, not realizing that the only grass that was going to end up in its belly was the grass of heaven. Nile crocodiles in their 13 feet for 1,653 pounds of horror aren't the crocodilians who dismantle the most humans every year for nothing. And given the way this one shows off in front of the tourists, you'd think he'd want to take advantage of the moment to put some pressure on them by showing them that the first person to get out of his car is going to suffer galactic-level revenge for the honor of all the crocodilians who ended up as handbags. But personally, I'm not even gonna hang around here with a car. Like him with his phone. What do you want? You think a crocodile can't stand on two legs for 5 seconds, pull you by the collar and take you to the bottom of the river to make a quick snack out of your big head? You punk?